What's up? This is Alaric Ong, and today I'm here with my mom. Her name is Veronica, and she runs this business called Revelation 22. And she's over 12,000 people served, 10,000 pillows sold, and she's been more than 10 years in business. Okay, and so long as you WhatsApp her Alaric free bonus, just WhatsApp her Alaric free bonus to her number +65 8693 9472. She's gonna give you some bonuses for free. Okay, WhatsApp Alaric free bonus to 8693 9472. So, mom, what are some bonuses that you're gonna give to my audience for free?
All right. If you can visit me at Adelphi, I'll be able to do a health consultation for you because I'm a nurse by profession. And also, I'm going to do an energy analysis for you. Get to understand your health at cellular level, at energy level. Get to understand your organ. How much battery do you have for your lung, for your heart, for your intestine? You'll be amazed. It's an eye-opener for you. And I'm going to also let you try our Miracle Power Recharge Therapy for free. Even though it's only 20 minutes, but it is like a whole, you're like on a human charger. It's like having a whole body acupuncture. Then I will do another analysis for you to compare. Once your body start to have improved energy flow, how is your energy reading like?
Are you able to give them your books for free as well?
Yes, whoever can visit us at Adelphi, we can give you 2 books for free, The Healing Power of Your Body, as well as the natural and effective remedy to a good night's sleep. But whoever cannot visit us at Adelphi, you can still download the ebook for free. Go to www.energer.sg and download both books for free. It's a good reference book for you about the healing power of your body.
Are you able to give them any free webinar or free training that you're doing as well?
Okay, I conduct webinar every Wednesday 7 p.m. on about the immune system, and Sunday 2 p.m. in English and 7 p.m. in Mandarin. They are all free webinar that you are able to sign up.
Okay, great. So when you WhatsApp Alaric free bonus to my mom at 8693 9472, you're gonna get number 1, energy analysis. Number 2, a free health consultation. Number 3, a free power recharge therapy. 2 of her books. The first book is called The Healing Power of Your Body, and the second book is called The Natural
and Effective
Remedies of a Good Night's Sleep. And you're gonna get a webinar. You're gonna get a webinar or training that you can watch for free as well. Okay, so go ahead and WhatsApp her, and then I'm gonna start this interview very, very shortly. So, mom, maybe you can share with us, how did you get all started? Like, how were you able to get maybe 12,000 clients, you know, be in business for more than 10 years? How was the journey like? How did it all start?
Well, it all started because I was suffering from an autoimmune problem called Graves' disease, and I was looking for a natural solution to be able to heal my own body. And I met the inventor about more than 10 years ago, and that's where he was very confident he could help me balance my immune system without any medication. And so that's how I started the business. It was all from 1 drop of blood under the microscope that I saw. It was not healthy, and I was very determined how to improve this quality of blood. And it took me 9 months to clean up my blood. And that's how until today, 10 years, no medicine, no relapse.
So what is energy medicine?
Energy medicine is a non-invasive kind of alternative therapy that is able to help create balance in the body. And create balance in the body is to create a body terrain to be like a healthy pot of soil. And we call that homeostatic.
Okay. And so like why is it important to have energy medicine, or how do it help you in your life, and how do it help your clients here?
Well, simply by sleeping on this energy sleeping system, I was able to enjoy deep quality sleep, which is the most basic for us to be able to restore our health back to basic, and also wake up fully energetic and wake up free from pain. So the sleeping system is what is able to balance the energy while sleeping.
Okay, so how have your clients been helped because of energy medicine or because of your products and services?
Well, it's all about improving the blood flow and energy flow while sleeping. So once our blood is flowing well, it carries oxygen, it carries nutrient to every part of the body, in our brain, in our heart, in our lung, in our liver, in our kidney. And that's where the body start to go into balance.
So, like, why do you think that so many people are unable to recover for their long-term illness? I mean, there are so many people who are diabetic, so many people who, suffer from stroke, heart diseases and everything. Why do you think they are unable to recover from their long-term diseases?
Well, because most people, they only go for so-called the mainstream. Mainstream is to go and see the doctors, and the doctors can only give them medication. So medication, there's no way you can balance the body back into homeostatic like a healthy pot of soil. Because all medication come with side effect, and all medication are chemical, and we do not want to poison our body. We only want our body to have enough oxygen and nutrient for repair to take place. That's why a lot of people go in circle for many years, swallowing medication.
Okay, and so why is natural healing better than like other forms of intervention?
Well, natural healing, we talk about the healing power of your body, and the healing power, the body is created to and designed to be able to heal by itself if we just know how to create the body terrain. And once we are able to create the body terrain, everything will go back to balance. So always imagine your body as a healthy pot of soil, that the plant is healthy because the soil is healthy first. So there's no way you can overdose your body with lots of water and then you expect your body to be healthy, or you load your body with lots of supplement, you expect your body to be healthy. It doesn't work that way. So it's all about balance.
Okay, so Mom, why do you decide to start this as a business?
Well, initially, I started this business with a very simple, naive mindset to heal myself. At the same time, can help a few other people around me. Probably because at that time, I couldn't afford the sleeping system, so I started the business. But I did not know that the business just grow in leaps and bounds the last 10 years.
Okay, when you say you can't afford the system, how much is the system?
Well, when I first started, the product was all made in Singapore, and it was really, really expensive. One pillow I used to sell $2,000.
And then one mattress?
The mattress is all in 5 figures. That's I couldn't afford it to own one at home.
Okay, but now how much is it, like roughly?
Now the sleeping system is very, very affordable. The pillow is only $327, and the single sleeping system, it comes with mattress pad, comforter, and pillow, is only $2,006. And then the queen sleeping system, it comes with mattress pad, comforter, and 2 pillows, is only $3,002.
Oh, okay. So what keeps you and your team motivated? Like, what makes it, like, for 12 years, it's not easy to sustain a business for so long. What keeps you and your team motivated?
Well, we have a dedicated staff, a team of dedicated staff. They are all my clients. So they benefited from the sleeping system. They recover from their health. They have their health restored. And so they become our staff. And most of our staff, they are all grandmothers. And yet they are so passionate to be able to help more people improve their health simply by sleeping well.
So what is the vision of Rev22?
Well, the vision for Rev22 is Revelation 22 itself is the final chapter of the Bible. And final chapter of the Bible, when I started this business, it was the final destination anybody can look for therapy to restore their health. And our vision is the river of life and also fullness of life.
And what is the mission of Rev22?
Our mission is to create a world full of healthy and wealthy people. It is non-invasive, it is natural healing, at the same time is scientifically proven.
Okay, so like basically like what's on your background, a world full of healthy and wealthy people, is it? Okay, good.
That's right.
And that's my sister over there, by the way, for all those of you watching this interview. Okay, so what is the philosophy behind your brand Energia?
Okay, Energia is all about energy flow. Yeah, Energia is also to be able to help a lot of people who go in circle to look for therapy or look for treatment to heal their whatever medical ailment. So our Energia is to help people able to recover their health simply by sleeping on the Energia sleeping system.
Okay, so what segments of customers can benefit from Energia?
We help 4 major segments. First and foremost, people who are suffering from long-term immunity problem on long-term medication. And people who have sleeping disorder, that is our strength because we work on the melatonin. The pineal gland must secrete its own melatonin for you to go into deep sleep. And people who have aches and pain, we work on the endorphin. At the same time, when you are lying on the sleeping system, you are like having acupuncture throughout the night, no blockage, no pain. And also people with low energy, feeling very tired, feeling very fatigued every day. And then we are able to charge them up on the human charger.
Okay, so based on what you're telling me that like just sleeping alone, just sleeping on a sleeping system, they can start healing. That sounds a bit too good to be true. You know, like normally people say must exercise, must have very good diet, must go to the doctor. What do you mean by that? Like by sleeping you can heal? Yeah.
Yeah, because sleep is the most basic for any healing to take place. So long as you are able to sleep well, a lot of physiology of your body will start to go into balance, and a lot of cells will start to go into repair. And so able to enjoy quality sleep is the first step for any prevention to be able to take place, preventing any kind of medical ailment.
So why are more modern or city people getting sleeping disorder? Like so many people I see, like they can't sleep at night and everything. Why do you think that's the case? Is it because of social media or is it because of what do you think?
Yeah, because a lot of things are 24-hour not enough now, huh? We have 24-hour Facebook lah, WhatsApp lah, all the technology is keeping people really, really occupied. And some of the people are so gadget addicted. So the exposure to all these gadgets actually deprive the melatonin from secreting. And that's how people eventually fall into this trap of suffering from sleeping disorder. So that's a lot of city or modern city people, because of this radiation bombarding us, all the Wi-Fi that we are being bombarded, eventually that's where health issues start to appear.
Okay, so we are all probably taking sleeping lightly or for granted. So how do we know that we have a sleeping disorder?
Well, when you start turning and tossing in bed, you know, like your body is so tired, but your body just refuses to go to sleep once you lie in bed, that is already not a good sign. And also, you're supposed to sleep from sunset to sunrise. That means melatonin comes out after 9 p.m., your eyelids start to get heavy, and you don't wake up until sunrise and when serotonin take over. So middle of the night at 12 midnight, 1 a.m., you start to wake up and then you can't sleep anymore is another indication. And some people, they go to the toilet 3 times, 5 times every night. And that's where interrupted sleep is. And that is also classified under insomnia.
So if someone has a sleeping disorder, what kind of medical conditions can this lead to?
Well, they will start to have a very simple, the sign count, the hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol is so common. And once they allow this sleeping disorder to go longer without any treatment, they will end up suffering from more serious ailment like autoimmune problem, like depression, and also anxiety disorder.
So how can mankind heal better?
Our body is nature. We have to go with nature, not against nature. So when time to sleep, please go to sleep. Don't go against nature. You can never win nature. Time to wake up with an energetic body. And always listen to your body. When you're hungry, you eat. When you're thirsty, you drink. When you're sleepy, you sleep. So don't fight against your body. You can never win nature.
So, okay. And I mean, you always say that like prevention is better than cure. So what do you mean by that? And like, you know, do you think it's still important to take supplements? It's still important to eat healthy and exercise?
Well, taking supplement and also doing exercise, having a healthy lifestyle is not enough, because you want to be healthy, it has to be at cellular level. That's why every cells must be healthy. If the cell is at the kidney, make sure the kidney do its job. The cell is at the liver do its job. So every cell is healthy, then we can create the body terrain to be like a healthy pot of soil. And every cell is healthy is measured by energy. That's why we have an energy device that is able to quantify the energy level of your 12 major organs. Make sure that they are running at 100% battery.
Okay, but do you still recommend taking supplements and all that?
If our body go back to balance, food is our medicine. So go back to basic. We absorb nutrient from food. We don't really advocate swallowing a lot of supplement and your body can be healthy, because it's all about balance. Any vitamin that's too much is also not balanced. Any deficiency is also not balanced. So it's all about listening to your body. When you're craving for certain food, you go for that food because that's what your body needs.
Okay, so can you share more on what cellular level health and how will energy medicine help?
You have to understand that every cell has a battery, and this battery is called the mitochondria. And this mitochondria is the powerhouse where cellular respiration takes place, and it converts food into energy. So if you want your heart to pump well, you need energy. And where does energy come from? It comes from the food you eat, but it's converted by this mitochondria into cellular energy. And that's why health at cellular level is very, very powerful.
So you mentioned that like different wellness provider, like there are so many different wellness providers or so many different like health and wellness solutions and so many sleeping solutions as well. How is Rev22, your company, different from all those out there?
Well, our company, Revolution22, we advocate a range of Energer products that is able to help people improve their health scientifically. Scientifically in the sense that we have a diagnostic tool to be able to quantify your energy level as a baseline before you start to using our product. And then along the way, while you use our product every 3 months, every 6 months, we are able to quantify your energy to compare again. So long as we are able to improve every 3 months, every 6 months, how long it takes for you to achieve optimum, everyone is different. That's why our company, we position ourselves differently because we are able to have a diagnostic tool to help you improve your health naturally.
So how is Energer's offer different from everyone else?
Well, our Energer offer, we work with a very strict supplier, and this supplier, they are very knowledgeable and they are able to supply us product that is scientifically proven, and that's why we take pride in delivering results.
Okay, cool. So what are your core products and services?
Okay, services, we have 3 major miracle power services we do as a therapy. Number 1, we have a miracle power recharge therapy service where we put you like on a human charger. Any energy too high, we need to tame it down. Any energy too low, we need to charge it up. So we balance your major organ while you are using this, while you're lying on this human charger. And also we let you wear a goggle, let you wear a earpiece where we work on the serotonin, the melatonin, and all the happy hormones. So you're like having a brain spa. And number 2, we have a power recharge detox therapy where we let you put your feet into the water and we put Himalayan salt inside. It is a technology to be able to extract out all the toxins into the water, and the Himalayan salt has all the good mineral that your body is able to absorb. And number 3, we have another technology that is able to exercise your eye muscle. So when you wear this goggle, there will be 3 lights moving, and we will want you to look at the light moving so that you are able to exercise your eye muscle, because eyesight is very important. We are always looking at the laptop, we are always looking at the handphone. We need to have good eyesight. So a lot of people, after using this therapy, they feedback that their floaters are gone, their astigmatism improved, and these are ways that we can rejuvenate the eyes. So these are the 3 power therapies that we are able to offer at Adelphi. And as far as home care product is concerned, we have a range of Energer product that you have to sleep through the night. So that one, we don't use any electric current, so it's very safe. Even newborn baby, pregnant women, or elderly, or people with pacemaker, people who go for chemotherapy, radiotherapy, all can use this product. So once you are able to sleep through the night, we'll be able to maintain your energy level. But when you go for therapy, it's like a booster therapy. It's like you go and service your car. It's like a service center to service your body. And also we have clean water, so drink quality water, very important, and clean air as well. So we breathe in clean air is very important. And also we have a lifestyle product where you sit on a saddle stool to be able to correct your posture while sitting. So these are many products that we have to be able to help you improve your sleep quality. Once you are able to sleep well, we want you to eat well as well. Food become your medicine, and we want you to live well as well, so that you are able to enjoy every moment of your life, quality of life.
Okay, are you able to give any of that for free to my audience?
Okay, we are able to offer a free energy analysis for you. So I can do a consultation for you where we can measure your health at cellular level. And also we can give you a free power recharge therapy where you lie on a human charger. Go and experience it. Even though it's only 20 minutes, don't underestimate these 20 minutes. It's just like a chili padi. One piece enough, no need 1 kilo, you know. So one piece is really, really hot and spicy to be able to let you jumpstart all your cells again. Then we will do another analysis for you to let you see how your body responds after there's an improvement in this energy flow.
Okay, so for those of you who want to get that for free, WhatsApp Alaric free bonus. WhatsApp like Alaric free bonus to my mom. Mom, what's your number?
86939472.
Okay, those of you who want to get this for free, WhatsApp to my mom, Alaric free bonus to 8693 9472. Okay, good. So make sure you go and WhatsApp her now. Okay, next. So why do your customers keep coming back and also refer people?
Because we have a whole group of customers who are so grateful that they finally understand what is deep quality sleep. So because we have helped them improve their health naturally, that's why they are able to support us and keep coming back to us and keep referring their family members, their friends to us, because they know it is not right to suffer. So once they are able to help many people around them, they are also they also felt a lot of sense of satisfaction, able to help their family members improve their health. So whenever we ask for testimonials, whether it's written, video testimonials, they are more than happy to give us. That's why our YouTube channel has lots and lots of video testimonials.
Cool. So, you know, in COVID, right, your business has grown by 5 times during COVID, you know. So how do you manage to do that?
Yeah, so COVID became a blessing in disguise because I'm very much an offline person. Before the COVID, I was doing a lot of corporate talks. So I actually go to companies to do talks. But during the COVID, when our shop was closed and all the corporate were not open, I was stuck and I did not know how to really continue with my business from home. And so it became a blessing that during the COVID, I was able to attend Alaric's Facebook Accelerator program, the training. The 2 days training transformed me. So when I attended the training, I started to move my business online. So I started to do Facebook marketing. In fact, I also started my own personal website. I wrote the second book, The Natural and Effective Remedy to a Good Night's Sleep. So this whole training, and also during the COVID, I started Zoom webinar. And that's how I learned how to sell online as well. So everything pivoted during the COVID, and that became a blessing for us.
So how have you pivoted during the COVID? Like, what do you do other than, yeah?
Well, during the COVID time, I actually have a letter from the ministry that I'm able to do home delivery. So during the COVID time, first and foremost, I did the webinar on Zoom. And so I do weekly webinars. So I'll be able to convert people on our product, our sleeping system, while they are staying at home doing their homestay. And that's why during the COVID time, I was able to start Zoom webinar, and that was a big shift for me.
So how has digital marketing helped you grow your business despite the economic downturn?
Okay, right now I'm working with 3 digital companies. The first digital company is Search Advertising, and they are in charge of channeling leads to attend all my talks. So I do talks every Wednesday evening, 7 p.m. And I also do talks every Sunday, 2 p.m. in English and 7 p.m. in Mandarin. So all these sessions, Search Advertising will channel leads to attend my talks. And I work with a Cubic, another digital company, and they are the one helping me to reactivate all my database by sending regular emails and keeping the Facebook updated, keeping the Instagram updated, and also design all our flyers, our promotional materials, and revamp our website as well. And we work with a third company, which is called VivaX. And this VivaX is helping us to spearhead the power nap in Singapore. So we want to spearhead the culture of power nap in Singapore. So they are creating 365 infographic to keep reaching out to all these executives to come to our place for 20 minutes power nap. And once they are able to have this power nap, the rest of the day, they are all energetic with clarity of mind to continue with their work.
So what else has worked for you, for your business?
Yeah, important thing also, Alaric started automated webinar for me. So this automated webinar is so powerful. Even when I was sleeping, somebody is watching my webinar. So this automated webinar has already helped a lot of conversion as well. So, and we also created 4 hearsay videos. And these 4 hearsays videos, they're all short videos, but they are very educational in 4 areas: the long-term illnesses, the sleeping problem, those people with low energy, and people who suffer from aches and pain. So we are able to educate people to look for some natural solution from these 4 videos.
So we just started the automated webinar not long ago, maybe 1 or 2 months, right? But how much of sales have you done just because of this automated webinar alone?
Well, we started this automated webinar maybe about 3 months ago. 3 months ago, and I think we easily brought in about 30,000.
Okay, I think it's less than 3 months ago, probably like 1 or 2 months ago. But okay, anyway, so moving ahead, what are your next strategic plans?
Well, our strategy plan is to be able to bring the business to digital and to be online, to have more systemization and automation. And we are also starting an Energer Lifestyle Center where we want people to have a social club, something like a social club at Energer, so they can pamper themselves on our therapy. At the same time, we have coffee appreciation that they can enjoy, and we have clean water for them to collect. So all these are part of our lifestyle program that we are going to promote essential oil as well. And we are coming out with Energer membership. So whoever joins our member, they will be able to enjoy this lifestyle social club.
Great. So, okay, let's end on an ending note, share some tips on health and wellness for busy city people.
So busy executives, you cannot be busy unless you are healthy. Yeah, so unless you are healthy, you can be very productive. So never take good health for granted. Always service your body while you're still young and healthy, and always understand your health at cellular level. Once you are able to understand your health at cellular level, it is very, very powerful. So sleep well, wake up fully recharged, wake up free from pain. And that's our brand promise.
So mom, what are some bonuses that you can give to my audience? So if anyone wants to get any bonus from my mom, right, just WhatsApp Alaric free bonus to her number 8693-9472, okay, +65 8693-9472, okay. So mom, what are some bonuses that you can give to my audience?
Yeah, come and visit us at Adelphi, and we'll be able to do a health consultation for you, and also get to understand your health at cellular level, at the energy level. So I'll be able to do an energy analysis for you for free. And then I'll put you on a power recharge therapy, a miracle power recharge therapy, where you lie there for 20 minutes. And then after the 20 minutes, I will do another analysis for you. So once I understand how your body responds to energy flow, I'll be able to advise you how we can work together to help you achieve optimal health at cellular level, create your body terrain to be like a healthy pot of soil.
How about your books? Are you able to give them your books for free as well?
Oh, that's a good idea. Now, if you want to read the ebook, you can always download from www.energer.sg. You can download that ebook. Both books are there. The Healing Power of Your Body, as well as the Natural and Effective Remedy to a Good Night's Sleep. Now, if you can visit our center at Adelphi, then we can give you the additional bonus. Both books we can give you for free.
Awesome. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. And make sure you WhatsApp my mom Alaric free bonus. You're going to get all the bonuses. You're going to get her books. You're going to get the Equigraph analysis. You're going to get the free power recharge therapy. And yeah, hopefully you can become a client one day as well. All right. Take care, everyone. And I'll see you soon.
Thank you.